Folks, we're in Olathe, Colorado, and we've got this, I believe it's a 1990 MERRITT Gold Line. It's a 47 foot by 102 inch cattle pot that we're going to put up on auction time. This is from a local feedlot. The only reason they're selling it, guys, is they're just downsizing on some of their equipment. We've got a horse trailer and a little ground load trailer, and they're one of their semis that we're selling, but they're just downsizing a little bit, guys, and so we're going to go ahead and put it up on auction time and let you guys bid on it. So the way the floor measures out, it's 10.5 feet in the front, and we do have the deck boards up in the nose here. 10.5 feet in the front, there's 27 feet in the center compartment, and then that would leave 9.5 roughly on the back end on the tail. And I'll get up in there in just a little bit, but I wanted to walk around the outside and kind of show you guys what the trailer looked like. Overall, guys, this trailer's in pretty good shape, especially for the age of the trailer. I did measure from the center of the kingpin back to the back part of the nose back here is 90 inches, so keep that in mind. I think most of your tandem axle trucks will fit under there with no problem, guys. But again, 10.5 feet here on this front compartment inside, and I will go inside and we'll walk around. 27 feet here in the center compartment. Now on the bottom, there's no gate in the center, just so you guys know. There is a gate on the top center, but no gate in the bottom center. Okay, so I want you guys to be aware of that, and again, you'll see that as we come in. There's no tuck here on the back, so the axles are right out to the back end right here. And I guess I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the outside, guys, because there aren't too many flaws that I've seen. The outside of this trailer is pretty good. One thing that I would point out right here, I did just see this. So there's a little bit of damage here. You can see they must have probably caught a fence post or a tree or something as they were coming out somewhere. But the outside of the trailer is pretty good. We'll walk around here on the left-hand side. You can see that they've had a little damage done right there, guys. And it looks like the same thing probably happened over here, except it's gone. I believe this is spring ride. We will verify that. But again, on the outside on this side, I just don't see any damage to speak of, guys. This little feedlot operation, they ran a lot of pasture cattle in the summer up in the mountains. And so they weren't hauling a lot of horned cattle or anything like that. They were hauling calves and yearlings most of the time. So that's part of the reason that the trailer's in as good a shape as it is. Spring ride. And the brakes are average, I would say, on there, guys. Looks like they've had a little bit of work done to it here recently and worked on the cams a little bit, okay? So back here on the tail, this is where you see the bulk of the wear. And truth be told, the tail on this trailer looks like it's in pretty good shape. The floor doesn't look like it's all wore out. It's showing some wear, don't get me wrong, but it's not completely worn out. So if you guys will bear with me, I will climb up in the back here. Okay. So on the back, you can see you've got your ramp that you would pull out right here. And guys, I'm not going to do it. You can see what the ramp looks like right there. But I will use that to climb up in there one more time. Bear with me again, guys, okay? Appreciate your guys' patience while I do this. All right, so I'm 6 foot tall. And I can stand up in this top, okay, guys? So I'm guessing your top is right at 6 feet. And you can see you've got your jail back here on the back corner. Okay. And then again, you do have a center gate up here on top. And if you guys can see the floor, I think the floor is in pretty good shape up here. And then as I mentioned, we do have the deck boards in the nose. So you can go right down there. And then that ramp obviously would fold up and latch across the face of this right here. And then this door right over here would fold down. And I'm not gonna swing all those, okay guys? But that's what the deck looks like up here in the front. You can see you've got your, if you wanna pull those boards out, you can see you've got your rails up there where you can stack those deck boards in and pin them in. But again, 10.5 feet in the nose. This center compartment is a total of 27. I'm gonna speculate that they split this into like a 14-13 or possibly a 13.5 on each one of them. But the floor's in pretty good shape all the way around up here, guys. And with that, we're gonna step back down back here in the back. So once again, bear with me here. Well, I did that wrong. That's supposed to be the hinge side of it. Guys, I'm going to shut this video off real quick and I'll rehinge this.